On my Quizziz account, I have created a review for the zones of regulation. I created this for my students in my intellectual disabilities unit that I support, as well as there are 3 different emotional disturbance units that I support, and I'm working on the zones of regulation in a co-teaching instructional method with the teachers. So I created this game to help review. As you can see down here below, I have a total of 30 questions, and for each of the questions, I have provided a visual support to help my students. I did that partially to engage the students with emotional disturbance because I felt like it would be more engaging for them if they were able to see pictures as opposed to if they were just reading words. But the other purpose of putting that in there was for my students with intellectual disabilities. Their reading skills are quite low, and so they are not necessarily going to be able to read all of the questions. But many of them are able to read the color words, and so they will be able to select those answers based on the picture that they see. In the slideshow presentation, you can refer to the social and emotional learning standards that were just put into place in the state of Ohio, effective June 2019. And this is a program that I have been using with my students for a long time because I think it's really great and it's really concrete. And so it will just work on those new standards. Again, I'm not a teacher. I am an occupational therapist. So a lot of the work that I do is in support of other teachers. I'm not going to go through the whole game, but I will just show a couple of the questions and what they do. And so you can see that the person is crying, and so that means that they are in the blue zone. And then for the next one, this person is also in the blue zone because they're tired. So I just wanted to thank the individuals who recommended this because it is a wonderful tool, and I love that the students can be self-paced or we can work on it together as a group using the interactive whiteboard. So I hope you all enjoy, and feel free to use it if you also use the zones of regulation with your students.